Creating a template in Asana helps you streamline repetitive tasks and projects. Here's how to create a template in Asana. Create a new project. Start by creating a new project for your template. For instance, if you need a template for onboarding new employees, name the project Employee Onboarding Template. Choose Project Layout. Select either a list or board layout depending on your preferred view. For process-based tasks, a list layout works well, while a board layout is ideal for tasks with different stages. Add tasks and sections. Create all the tasks and sections that are part of the template. For example, for an onboarding template, you could add sections like preparation, training, and feedback, with tasks under each. Assign tasks and set due dates. You can assign tasks to specific roles and set due dates that will apply when using the template. Save as a template. Once your project is set up, click on the project's three dots in the top right corner and select Use as Template. Reuse Template. When creating a new project, select Template and choose your Save Template. It will replicate the structure, tasks, and sections for you.